G'day folks, I have here a old Chinese reversing valve. It's off a generic Chinese condensing unit and it still works. Of course you need pressure to operate the slide inside, but I just want to do something interesting with it, so let's just put power to it and see what it does. Amp meters don't even move because this coil's only 20 watts. Well, that's not really exciting. Let me think of something. Oh, now there we go, that's more interesting. Let's see what happens. Let's see if these coils suffer the same fate as the shaded pole motor. I know not everybody has RV coils sitting around in their backyard, but if you scrap air conditioners, this might be a fun new hobby. Oh, that's working well. Yeah, I think we could do a few of these. Something good to do when Brad comes over next. And that was cool. Well, that was great fun. Let's try one without the metal housing on it. That was good. I think the epoxy housing overpressurized. Yeah, it smells terrible. Worked though. Had a bit of an accident. That's fun. Let's find some more. Well, that last one was a hell of a lot of fun. Let's try an old Kelvinator coil. It's off a really old Kelvinator reversing valve. I don't think it's as well sealed as the other ones, but it might not explode. I think it just went short. It just smoked the transformer. We didn't kill the transformer, but God, it's getting hot. Let's try another exploding variety. Cheap Chinese ones. Correct. Yeah, the other one was better.